everyone, in today's Affordable Tuesday I'm going to do the reviews and comparison between three really affordable face washes for oily and acne prone skin from three very well known brands: Himalaya Herbals, Biotic and Clean and Clear. Now all these face washes from these brands are really good. However, some of them fare better than the rest, so please keep on watching this video to find which one is actually going to be effective for you. So I'm going to judge and review each of the face washes on three categories. So the first category is how much oil it controls on your face. The second category is effectiveness, by which I mean whether it helps in reducing your pimple and resisting the resurfacing of acne. And the third is on its negative side, like what negative side it has or not. So the first face wash that I'm going to talk about is from Clean and Clear. The Clean and Clear pimple clearing face wash for oil-free skin retails for Rs 130 for 80 grams of the product. Now I really like this face wash. This is the face wash that I'm using right now. I need to tell you my skin type. So my T-zone is really oily, while the rest of my skin is very dry and sensitive. So basically I have combination skin. I do not have super oily skin. Now this face wash, what it does is it just completely sucks out all the oil in your skin. So this face wash, in terms of oil control, and if you are someone with really oily skin, it gets 100 on 100 from me. About whether it helps in reducing acne or resisting the resurfacing of acne and pimple, there I'm going to tell you that no, it does nothing for that. In fact, I had sort of breakouts on my skin before using it, and while using this I did not see any significant reduction in it, and I kept breaking out. But I don't think it was because of the face wash. But the face wash did not do anything of reducing pimples either. So on that part, it's not really effective. And third, if it has any negative side, I would say that it is not for someone with combination skin like mine or dry skin. Please stay away from this. But if you have really oily skin and you are looking for a face wash that is going to make your skin feel squeaky clean and oil free, then go for this face wash, but don't expect that it is going to reduce your pimple or acne. The second face wash, and I think it is one of the most popular face washes when it comes to preventing pimples and for oily skin, it's the Himalaya Herbals Neem face wash. Now 100 ml of this retails for Rs 120. So coming to oil control, it does medium oil control, like it does not completely make your face oil free in one wash like the Clean and Clear one does. So it just is good if you have combination skin. Even dry skin people can use it. So I think it will work across all skin types to control a bit of oil on their face. But if you have really oily skin, like greasy oily skin, this is not for you. You need a better oil control face wash like the Clean and Clear one. Coming to pimple, it is very effective. Like if you want to see proper reduction in your pimple, if you want to see them not really vanish but look less angry, then this one is really great. But coming to the negative side, I'm going to tell you that after using it, if I consistently use it for a month or so, I see that it sort of leaves a dark patch on my face. It's not really a patch, but I think it just makes my skin look a bit dark. Like, who can use this face wash? If it's summers and you have combination skin, you can use this face wash. If you have stubborn pimple on your face, you can go for this face wash. But just keep in mind that it sort of made my skin look a bit dark after a month. So I mean, it might be that it happened only with me, but just giving you a heads up on that. Now, last but not the least, I'm coming to the Biotic pimple clearing face wash. So the Biotic pimple clearing face wash has also been mentioned by me in my affordable skincare routine for teenagers and beginners video. So I love this face wash. When it comes to oil control, it gets 100 on 100 on me. When it comes to pimple control, it's just fantastic and it has no negative side. So who can use this face wash? If you have really oily skin, you can use this face wash, but just remember that it is not going to make your skin feel squeaky clean when you're using it like the Clean and Clear one, but it just is going to clear up your skin, make it less oily, is not as effective for the pimples. So it's an overall average in every category kind of face wash. So if you want something without any negative side, something that is going to make your pimples less angry, oil in average control, and without much of a negative side to deal with, then go for the Biotic one. But if you are the kind of person looking for a squeaky clean face, go for the Clean and Clear one. And if you really want something, a face wash to work on your pimples, definitely go for the Himalaya Herbals one. So yeah, I just wanted to keep it as fast and as quick as I can, and for that I think I spoke a little too fast, but even then I hope that you like this video. If you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, tell me in the comment section down below what video you want me to do next, and don't forget to check the description box down below to see what other videos that you might enjoy watching on my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.